civil authorities have issued a life threat. This message goes for all residents living in Camden County. We have had 50 reports of people dying in their residence after hearing a strange demonic voice. We are unsure of what this voice is saying. All we know is that it is killing people. If you want to stay safe, you need to follow these 3 steps. If you start to hear an unfamiliar voice that does not sound human, cover your ears immediately, as it is very likely to be the voice that is killing people. Make sure that you are covering your ears wherever you go, because even if you are exposed to the voice for a split second, there is no hope. We encourage you to wear a pair of headphones wherever you go. Make sure that you stay home and distance yourself from others, including your family members, because this voice can possess humans and make them sound like the voice. For whatever reason you have decided not to follow these steps, just make sure that you don't listen to the voice. Because, if you do, there is no hope.